Welcome CRO family, thanks for joining me today, April 9th, 2024. Subscribing, liking, commenting and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 14.8 cents, down 1.28% with volume up 197.46%. The price is ranging from a high of 15.5 cents and a low of 14.8. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3,009,449 which is down, and a trading volume of 29,713,000 which is up. Etherscan is showing 309,132 holders, up 39. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com, with 29.5%, number 2 is OKX with 15.32%, and number 3 Gate.io with 12.24%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.8 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 204,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir, take care.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.